So today we are going to solve page number 10 of our work from chapter number 3. Okay, the question number 1, that is understanding the main points. You don't need to do that. Come on, question number 2, getting events in the right order. Connect the events on the right with the correct dates on the left. This is from chapter number 3. Okay, that is the growth of European empire. So start solving these by yourself first, then I'll help you. Acha. Okay, so I'm the first date is 1768. So what happened in 1768 till 80? The book in chapter number 3.
Miss Captain Cook explores the South Pacific, discovers Australia.
Exactly. The correct answer of 1768 till 80 date, that is Captain Cook explored the South Pacific, discovers Australia. Everybody got it? Everybody done with the answer? Abdullah, Asif, Samir, sorry. Yes, so what would be the correct answer for 1815? What happened, what event occurred on that date? Okay, Lisa. Yeah, so who gonna tell me the correct answer? 1815. Yes,
The
Yusra.
British gained the port. The British gained the port of Cape Town in South Africa.
Exactly. The British gained the port of Cape Town in South Africa. The correct event with the correct date of 1815. The British gained the port of Cape Town in South Africa. Is everybody done?
Yes.
Mustafa, are you done? Mustafa Raza Tabani?
Yes, miss.
ठीक है जी. Fatima Habib, Fariha, Arshia. Okay जी. Now come back to the next date, 1833. So which event occurred on 1833?
Britain abolishes slavery.
Yes, the correct answer is Britain abolishes slavery. ठीक है? The correct answer is Britain abolishes slavery. Done with this?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now come back to the next date, 1842. Which event occurred on 1842?
Treaty
Miss,
of Na-
Treaty of
Nanjing
Nanjing.
ends the Opium
That
War.
is the Treaty of Nanjing. Yes, 1842. The Treaty of Nanjing ends the Opium Wars. The correct answer of this date, 1842, Treaty of Nanjing ends the Opium War. Done, everybody? Okay, ji. Which is the next date? 1869.
Opening of Suez
the
Canal.
Suez Canal.
Exactly. Opening of the Suez Canal. The correct event occurred on this date, 1869. That is the opening of the Suez Canal. Done with this? Everyone done with this?
Yes.
Okay, ji. See the next one, 1882.
The British defeat the rebellion of the Egyptian Urabi.
Yes, the British defeat the rebellion of the Egyptian Urabi. 1882. The correct event of 1882, that is the British defeat the rebellion of the Egyptian Urabi. Done, everyone? And now, what happened in 1882?
The British defeat the rebellion of the Egyptian Arab.
Okay, and what happened in 1886?
Discovery of rich gold fields in South Africa.
Exactly. 1886, the correct event of 1886, the discovery of rich gold fields in South Africa. Done, everyone? Okay, जी,
Yes, Miss.
ठीक है. The last date, as you all know, 1898.
Battle of Omdurman, Sudan.
Sudan. Yes, 1898, Battle of Omdurman, Sudan. ठीक है? Everybody has done.
Nabta.
Please switch off your mic, everyone, first. Source is Lin was in charge of ending the opium trade in the Chinese Empire. He wrote, "We have heard that in your own country opium is strictly forbidden. Your honorable nation takes away product of our land, and by reselling them to other countries, you make a threefold profit. If you will agree not to sell opium, this threefold profit would be safe. How can you possibly give up this trade for a drug which is harmful? Let us suppose that foreigners came from another country bringing opium and tricked your people into smoking it. Would you not be angry and take steps to end this trade? It is the only in part of Hindustan, such as Bengal, Bombay, Patna, and other places where the hills are covered with the opium plant. The queen ought immediately to have the plant in these parts plucked by these dudes. If there are person who continue this should immediately, once you have received this letter, tell us what you are going to do and who you are going to put to stop to the opium evil. Please mark your reply speedy. What does Queen Victoria to do? वो क्या चाह रहा था कि Queen Victoria, the Britain queen, uh, to do something to stop this opium war. So what would be the correct answer?
He wanted Queen Victoria to forbid opium trade in
Exactly, the correct answer. He wants the Queen Victoria to forbid the British merchant from bringing opium to China. Or you can write in your own words as well. ठीक है? Everybody is getting? Okay. The next question, there are number of reasons he gives to persuade her to stop the trade. What are they? What could be the reason? क्या क्या हो सकते हैं
Can I?
reasons? Sure, sure.
She did not allow it in her country as it is a harmful drug. Even if the British merchants stopped selling opium, selling they could have as profitable trade with China. She didn't like that material to come in her country as per she thought it was a drug which should not be allowed and people would get harmed over here.
Exactly. So basically, she does not allow it in her country. It is a harmful drug, so definitely profit by selling these opium into the China. So that was okay. So you can write in your own words. Any confusion up till now? Yusra, Arisha, Aisha Adnan,
No,
Aisha
Miss.
Abid.
Miss, will we do page 12?
We are doing page number 11 right now. Mustafa, any problem? Mustafa Raza Tabani.
No, miss.
ठीक है? Okay. So now you can write in your own words. The reason could be anything. For this reason, you read page number 18 and 19 of your textbook. You can find out the answer easily. Okay? Come on to the next one, page number 12. The last question we have done. What was the Britain's response to China in 1840? What was the response Chinese gave to them in 1840? We can find out the answer from our book as well in page number 80, 18. Yes, who gonna tell me the answer? What was the response they gave? क्या response था जो उन लोग को मिला था 1840 में?
It's a very rude. It's a very rude response because they threatened China because Chinese didn't have enough strong forces. They threatened them. They threatened China that if they are willing to stop opium trade, then they would end in a war.
Exactly. So the reaction was from the Chinese officials. They tried to stop British merchant trading
Yes.
opium in the Chinese port, but definitely now you will have seen in page number 18, the Britishers or Britain, they declared the war. And some of the squadron, or you can say the military officers of the Britishers, you can say they blew the Chinese port, they destroyed the Chinese port, and they conquered their basic ports basically, or the essential ports of China into their own custody or into the own government, and they again started selling their opium trade into the China. So they could not, Chinese could not stop them, or they could not stop selling these type of products into their own country. So this type of answer would be you will marked or write in the 3.3. Any problem up till now? Myself, please read page number 18 and 19 along with the info boxes. Okay, it's important for your paper as well. Everybody got it? Everybody got my point?
Yes.
Okay, we have done 4 questions from chapter number 3, question number 1, 2, 3, and 5. Right? Okay, I think we did not done from question number 3 part B, the Zulus. हमने
Yes,
Zulus
miss.
डिस्क्लूड
Yes,
हमें जो
miss.
है वो
We did
एक्सक्लूड कर
not do
दिया
it.
था. And from question number 2 we did not do part D, Cecil rods. हमने उसको भी एक्सक्लूड कर दिया था, right?
Yes. Yes, miss.
Okay, and we have done question number 5 in the last. See, in your book, please go through thoroughly aims of the British Empire, that is given on page number 23, and reasons for the British success. ठीक है, both are very essential.
Miss, can you please repeat?
I'm saying Abiha, that we did not do part D from question number 2 of your book. ठीक है, Cecil rods, and from question number 3 we did not do the Zulus. ठीक है, officially we did not do, so you don't need to learn about that. ठीक है, and from your book page number 23 and 24 important, or you can say essential. Please go through aims of the British Empire and reasons for British success. I'm talking about step number 7. We have started from question number 2. We haven't done E part. We have done only 4 parts: Sirajuddaulah, Shah Alam, Hyder Ali, and Tipu Sultan. Everybody has done this, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
miss.
then we have done question number 3 at the question number 2 in our notebook. What was the importance of the Battle of Panipat 1761 and the Battle of Buxar? Everybody has done this, right? We have done the next question about how much of India did Britain control by 1818, and what part did Robert Clive play in gaining these areas? We have done this one. Yes or no?
Yes, miss.
Everybody has done.
Yes.
Then last question was, when and why did the British conquer the Indus Valley? That was the last question.
Yes.
सबने ये कर
Yes,
लिया. And we have already done the
Yes.
page numbers of workbook as well. ठीक है. So any confusion up till now? We have discussed each and everything that what we have covered.